The thesis being introduced today is Job Reallocation in Korean Manufacturing, 1984 to 2014, a paper written in 2021 by Changkyun Lee, Qianjian 1. This paper investigates the patterns of job reallocation in Korean manufacturing during the period 1984 to 2014. Utilizing establishment-level data from the Mining and Manufacturing Survey, we construct job flow measures and document the trend of job reallocation and test its efficiency. We first find that the pace of job reallocation has diminished since the Asian financial crisis. Although jobs were reallocated from less productive to more productive establishments overall, we find that the productivity-enhancing effect has also diminished over time. Although recessions are known to be periods of intense reallocation and restructuring, job reallocation was not particularly more efficient during recessions in Korea. It even decreased during the Great Recession of 2008 because the exit probability of low TFP establishments was reduced. For more detailed information, check Changkyun Lee, Qianjian 1, 2021, Job Reallocation in Korean Manufacturing, 1984 to 2014, Journal of Asian Economics 74. If you enjoyed the video, give a like and subscribe to the channel. This channel is produced and managed by the SSK Networking Support Group at Duksung Women's University. Thank you.